LIC's Jeevan Umang, your best option to secure your life and your investments. Jeevan Umang is LIC's highest selling insurance plan which provides guaranteed income for your lifetime. With the interest rates falling rapidly, can you guess how much your investment will be able to fetch after 15 or 20 years? Well, here is where LIC's Jeevan Umang proves to be a promising investment. It provides insurance cover for your whole life and guarantees an annual income of 8% of sum assured for lifetime. You have these many options to choose from for payment of premiums. After the premium period is over, you get guaranteed tax-free income of 8% of the sum assured every year for your lifetime. And of course, your life cover as well as your bonus accumulation also continues. Let's understand the benefits of Jeevan Umang with an example of Karthik, who is presently 35 years of age. Karthik is happily married and is at a good position in his career. He wants to start saving to ensure guaranteed lifetime income when he reaches 60. He decides to buy a Jeevan Umang policy for a sum assured of Rs 1 crore and with a premium term of 25 years. He pays annual premium of Rs 3,97,957 in year 1 and thereafter Rs 3,89,388 from year 2 to year 25. His life cover starts at Rs 1 crore 4,20,000 and may grow to Rs 2 crore 27,50,000 in 25 years by virtue of bonus getting added to the policy every year. After 25 years, the premium stops and he starts getting a guaranteed tax-free income of Rs 8 lakhs every year for his lifetime. The life cover keeps growing as the bonus still continues. By age 100, the life cover can possibly reach Rs 9 crore 85 lakh 40,000. He also has a great liquidity in this plan. In the income period, he can exit this policy anytime and receive 90% of the life cover prevailing at the time of exit. So all in all, this is a great plan that allows you to save regularly, get guaranteed income for life, get lump sum instead of income, and a continuously increasing life cover to enable estate planning for your loved ones. Do reach out to me to know more about this outstanding investment opportunity.